lordship.
Your lordship, on the last occasion, your lordship, before this matter had passed an order directing the police to ensure that I enter my house, which was done by the police. I entered my house. The police had come up before your lordship and said that all my belongings are locked up in a room where two miscreant ladies are staying. Now, the dispute was with a private respondent, your lordship, who happened to be my nephew. Now, the dispute is settled between me and my nephew, where he has already registered a deed of gift on me because the ownership was on his name. I was a tenant, if your lordship remembers, and he was the landlord. So he has already registered a deed of gift where he has given me the ownership. Now the issue is, your lordship, private respondent has taken help of certain miscreants to get that premises vacated from me. Now, although he is telling the miscreants to come out of the house, but still they are not coming out. The police is telling me if your lordship passes an order, they will ask those ladies to leave the premises. And they are nobody, but still they are entering the premises and staying there.
But that how can I say?
Your
My
lordship,
lord, I have filed a application for addition of party. My lord, I am also a tenant under my lord the respondent number 5. My lord, in this my lord premises, I got an injunction from the civil court. My lord, I am just filing my.
What are you doing actually?
Now, my lord, I just want to my lord
Apart from being a tenant, what do you do?
without my lord any disturbance my lord peaceful position. They have my lord made
your
anything.
lordship,
That
they
is the
were
main
never
thing.
tenants. When I came and filed the matter, they went to the private respondents and they said that we will get the premises vacated. Give us the authority to enter your premises. The private respondent is present here. Your lordship can ask the same.
On the
And
basis of
when did they get the tenancy? It is all being done due to muscle power.
my lord civil court already
Let the
got the
private
additional
respondent
injunction.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, the issue is settled, your lordship. A gift deed has already been done in favor of the petitioner on 10th February, your lordship. Now there lies no dispute. I was the landlord, so basically, your lordship, I had given the gift deed. Now, your lordship,
With the tenants or without the tenants?
My lord, there is the biggest
There
setup.
is no
My lord,
lordship.
all
These things
only for disposes me
by
from my position.
power. By
all-
using muscle power, they wanted to get it vacated.
That is the main problem.
I had already, in the last matter,
This is the biggest setup, my lord.
enters the
this problem.
premises.
they could
Now-
never show their possession.
Now, my lord, just to intending to
Yes,
disposes me.
Let me hear her. She's important over here much more.
Lordship, I do not have any objection or any problem if the petitioner enters the premises.
Petitioner is different now. You have done the game which is to be done. Tell me how many years they are tenants?
Lordship, not tenants, Lordship. Lordship, we were never the tenants,
Hmm.
Lordship.
This deed has been executed. My lord, I have filed.
Now the private respondent is actually
Ad interim.
your lordship, because she's not being able to say
Ad
that these are
interim.
the muscle men whom she hired to get it vacated from me. That is the actual fact.
Lordship, now what has happened is they have these miscreants who had given me the idea that apparently I can get the property. Now they have taken it. And now I am.
That is the truth.
Problem. I don't
That
have any
is the
problem
truth, your
with the petitioner. I have already gifted the property, so the petitioner can come as per your lordship's order.
My lord,
Lordship,
I got the injunction.
you were saying that
I
they are
got the
tenants.
injunction.
Anything, any electric bill or anything
the-
that they were tenants?
On the basis of my lord, my documents, the civil court. Civil court, my lord, granted the injunction. I have my lord filed.
Because in front of the civil court, they have not maintained anything. They did not serve anybody. Nobody was a party to that matter. They are
I
purposely
have
trying
made
to
the
prove
party to the
themselves.
landlord, my lord. I have made the party to the landlord, my lord. Landlord
You have
tenant.
a tenancy receipt.
My lord, tenancy receipt is the lease deed has been. My lord, I have my lord annexed in the my lord
Which dated?
additional party. My lord, kindly appreciate my
Kindly
supplementary affidavit, my lord.
No.
It is
I have annexed.
supplementary affidavit is whose? Yours.
No, my.
How can you file a supplementary affidavit?
Supplementary affidavit, my lord, because my lord, after filing the additional party, I got the ad interim injunction for the civil court. That is why, my lord, this I have case status report I have filed.
So you
Along-
must be an added party first. You are not a party.
My lord.
They were not party to the matter, your lordship. After
Because
this entire thing is being done,
Without
they came to the court. They are
only
tactfully doing
that is
all this.
also a suppression of material fact. Suppression of material fact. There is a biggest got up between the the both party only for dispossession. Dispossession from me,
Become a tenant.
my
What
lord.
was the date of the lease?
This is a property situated
Since which year I am staying there from 30 years.
Their
When did you come?
30s or not, death has been scrutinized by the competent civil court.
which are room, one kitchen and another. You tell me one thing, two-story building.
My lord.
Two-storied building, your lordship. I had possession of both, the entire building, first floor, second floor.
They are only having one room, one kitchen, one toilet on the back
Yes,
side.
your lordship. If your lordship sees, the police came here and said that all my possession is locked up in one room on the ground floor. And the police said that if your lordship will give the direction, I will get possession of my stuff. This is the same room with all my possession which they have locked and entered.
The rest of the house you are enjoying.
That thing is there in the rest of the house, Your Lordship. The main entrance where all my belongings, my TV, my refrigerator, my kitchen utensils, everything they have locked in one room and they have taken possession of that
Only
room.
intention, my lord, to
Your
dispossession.
Lordship, the intention
Only
is
the
very
main
clear.
thing.
Using muscle power, this is what is happening in Murshidapur and Behrampur.
Using muscle
Murshidapur
power,
and Behrampur.
my lord,
This is
the
what they're doing.
ownership has been
Now,
transferred.
Your Lordship, the entire intention after I came back was to
Ownership
take
has
the
been
matter to
transferred.
civil dispute.
Ownership
Thereafter,
has
this
been
will come.
transferred.
Who are you? SS Human Rights Foundation?
This is the foundation,
lord,
Your Lordship, which is doing all this
the
all over
NGO,
Bengal.
this is a NGO, my lord. And my lord,
Eh? SS Human Rights Foundation.
my lord, this
Yes.
is a NGO, my lord.
Came to the private
NGO, my lord, social activities,
help
human
you
rights.
to get this vacated. And
All
they
right,
are doing
you
all
are all right, madam. You are in the property already.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord.
My entire possession. Police said they are responsible to return my possession. Now they are taking everything. They are holding on to everything.
Very good. Let it come on hearing. I cannot accept without adding you a party.
My
But then, where is a police inaction? Some more days they have just entered. Now you see what has happened is that initially they were reluctant to give the property. Now there is a settlement between the petitioner and the actual respondent. A third party, I don't know. I cannot say that. Initially, it was a dispute between the petitioner and the private respondent. Now they are coming in and as an added. So I have got to give an audience to them. Thereafter, I'll dispose of the matter.
my lord.
Grateful, Lord.
Because my lord,
I'll চলে আসুন না।
my lord, during the
Lordship.
pendency of the repetition, my lord,
all the documents,
ownership has
the
been
electric-
transferred.
The electric bills and everything. Since when they are tenants, they should come with
During-
all the documents.
During pendency of the repetition, ownership has been transferred. Well, that is the my lord, biggest settlement.
Writ petition, you were never a party. What are you saying? You were never a party in writ petition.
Suppression of material facts by from
Yeah,
the petitioner. That is why never.
an application for addition of party has been filed. You take back the supplementary affidavit when
My
the
lord, my lord.
Acha.
I'm thinking-
A report has been submitted on behalf of the state. State as earlier directed on 30th January 2025. Police authority AAs have regularly kept a strict vigil. Presently, there is no complaint against the police authorities. I don't think you have any complaint right now.
I have no complaint, Your Lordship. The human right they are talking about, this human right was hand in gloves with the police from the very beginning to get the premises vacated. Your Lordship, kindly let them.
My lord, ownership has been changed.
Also,
My lord,
Lordship,
all this.
You are respondent number.
Lordship বাঘের সবারই করেছে আর এখন বাঘটাকে আটকাতে পারছে না। That is the entire case.
All the setup is
Therefore,
my
I am
lord
passing
clear.
On the one hand, he says,
Now my lord, culprit is me.
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। I am seeing from the report, police has done a good job. All
At
right.
the time of filing repetition,
Give me my belongings.
my lord, at the time of repetition, my lord, the allegation against the police authority
And the
thereafter
respondent
shifted
number
to
five,
me.
learned advocate appearing for the respondent number 5 submits that the respondent number 5 has gifted the property in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. In view of the application for addition of party pending, list the repetition under the heading application. You take back this.
My lord.
ওই অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা একটু অ্যাড করে দেবেন, হ্যাঁ? আচ্ছা, in the meantime, police authority would continue to keep a sharp vigil, a strict vigil, and ensure that the petitioner and or his family members are not disturbed from their peaceful possession. Full stop. So far as the earlier directions are concerned, the same would persist on the police authorities. Same would continue, and the police authorities would
Your
implement
Lordship,
the
in the last report, the police had said that all the belongings are locked up and we can hand it over to the petitioner. So let them kindly hand over my belongings to me. That is my only prayer. After this, I have
All right, I'll consider.
of the police.
Lordship, then possible at the time of filing.